First, secure the rabbit's wrists with a double column tie. Clasp your hands together. Wrap the end of the rope twice around your wrist. Then, wrap the end of the rope around the section of rope between your wrists. Knot and tighten to secure. Tuck the end of the rope between your wrists. Then, loop the rope over both shoulder blades. Pin here. Wrap the rope around one more time. Thread the rope through the center line. Then pull to the left. Wrap the rope around one more time, crossing the central axis. Drag to the right again. Repeat the steps above. The rope isn't long enough to splice. Next comes the final rope coiling stage. Thread the rope through the strands from bottom to top. Then pass the end of the rope through the reserved loop. Pull it tight and you're done. This type of restraint is also particularly easy to undo. Unfasten the double post restraint on the wrist. Because both the left and right ropes are connected to the central axis. Just extract the central axis. It's all solved now.